Alright, what is going on, guys? Mix here. Start the video off, guys. The package that I was going to show y'all is this box. As you can see, it's for Evo X. I'm going to open it real quick and I'm show you guys what's inside. So I'm so excited. Look at that little cat. Oh, okay. Alright. So here we got the box package. Oh man, that joint's heavy. What the heck? You hear that? Oh, that's the Sonic thingy. Alright, so here's right here, which I'm gonna put inside. Get screws. Check. And then then you have the beautiful test pipe. Let me remove the bubble wrap. Okay, so here is the test pipe. How massive it is. Oh shoot, got stuck on the carpet. Look at that. This is what the O2 This is what the O2 sensor hooks up to. Here's the inside. God. Looks pretty good. Oh, there goes the cat again. And I gotta say, it's pretty heavy. This test pipe, man, at least what? Maybe 15 pounds? Even more, maybe 20. The wool gel looks alright. And then you can see right there, it is a SD Testpipe. So we'll install it, and then here's some backfires. And yep, and we got tied down. Yeah, so I don't know how you guys like the test pipe, but right now we're gonna go to the gym shortly in the Evo, and I'm gonna show you guys the new lip, how it looks. I haven't showed you guys how it looks that well. Yeah, you got the flanges here, screws. I mean 2 bolts. Put it back in the box and stuff. All right, guys. Good beautiful morning, guys. Burmax here. It's a nice day out here, but we are gonna. I don't know if I showed you guys already. Here's the Evo. And then on this side, you got the vortex generator, which, as you guys can tell, not a big fan of this one, so I'm probably gonna remove it. Just install a matte black. You know, it looks good. Like, look how good it looks. Just don't really like how it came out. Same with this window visor. Look at this window visor, man. Sucks. Bad quality. Definitely taking this one off. All of them off. But before I get to it, guys, I did buy a radiator cap, which you can see. This radiator cap, oh shoot, got the fluid on this. I'm gonna set it right here. It's pretty green, you know, it looks pretty good. But I did buy a new radiator cap, which says Rally Art. As you can tell, I am a Rally Art fan, as I'm wearing a Rally Art shirt. So we're gonna install this and show you guys how it looks. So let me put this right here. I unboxed it. It's pretty cheap. If you guys, it's pretty cheap, guys. If you guys don't want just this plain white one, you can get this one. This is Rally Art, which looks nice. Got some Japanese words in the back. So here's the back side of it. Same as the stock one. And this one says beautiful Rally Art. And let me install it real quick. We put it on probably like this. Oh shoot, it's dripping. Wrong way. Alright, here we go. Let's just lock it in place. Okay. Oh shoot, come on. There you go. After my hands got it all freaking wet from that, but there you go. I know it's just a little sticker over it. Let me bring some napkins or something. Let me dry this up. But what do you guys think? I think it looks nice. won't come off. It's tight. Pretty good quality. Let me bring a napkin, dry this up real quick. Alright guys, so it's super quick and easy install. Let me just clean it off a little bit. I know there's some that fell down there. Oof, they got something wet down there. That'll be alright. Alright, so what do you guys think? I think it looks a little better than just regular stock. Little cap. Alright, what do you guys think? He adds a little bit more to it. And then I definitely got to clean my engine bay. Super dirty. Oh, here comes a biker dude. But the next mod, guys, I do want to get this carbon fiber. Probably the center one, not just only these. Make it nice and carbon fiber. But yeah, the lip, guys, if you guys want to know, the lip is actually holding on pretty well. So this video, I guess, will go kind of onto the vortex generator lip install that I installed. So see you guys tomorrow or whatever next time you guys watch. Thank you so much for 3,100 followers. It's a lot of people. But yeah, make sure you drop a like, guys. I will be making more mods to this Evo, so stay tuned for that. Definitely more engine mods coming soon. Obviously, I just bought it, so you gotta give me a little bit more time and save up some money to actually start putting some mods. For now, we're just doing little small tasteful mods for the moment. And obviously, I'm with work and stuff, so I can't really be doing a lot more since I actually sold. You guys didn't know I sold my daily, so now I'm using the Evo as my daily. But I will be taking this to more automotive, where it's gonna get all the fluids done and everything checked on this car, so make sure it's up and running well. If you guys didn't know, more automotive is where I took my rallier to get everything done to it as well. They're pretty nice, you know, they help me out a lot, so hopefully they can help me with this car as well. And alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you next time, and as always guys, have a good one.